Okay, now chill.
I used to bite my tongue and hold my breath, scared to choke the boat and make a mess. So I said quietly, agreed politely. I guess when I go out I had a choice, and as you pushed me past the breaking point, I stood for nothing. So I fell for everything. You held me down, but I got up. Hey! Already brushing off the dust. You hear my voice, you hear that sound. Life's thunder gonna shake the ground. You held me down, but I got up. Got ready 'cause I've had enough. I see it all, I see it now. I got the eye of a tiger, fire, dancing through the fire, 'cause I am a champion, and you're never hurt me. Oh, 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 'cause I am a champion, and you're